Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ito si Madiskarteng Tatay, Jack of all trade, expert of none. Today, we'll talk about compost. I'm gonna show you how to make a compost out from your kitchen. Like say the banana peel, everything in your kitchen waste. It's gonna be a compost. I'm gonna show you what I have in this bucket. Okay, I got the leaves, tea, and then I have a mango, banana peel, the eggshell, okay, and some kind of vegetable. It's all about kitchen waste. Then like the opus, and then the squash. I got it here. Okay, let's go to the outside. Come on. What I gonna do with this, I'm gonna bury this on the ground, and then after a few months this is gonna be a compost. Just a small, very tiny area here. I'm gonna bury it here, okay? And then I'm gonna put some, let's see what we got here, okay? I'm gonna dig. Then I'm gonna put the soil here. You're gonna, oh, see what I got here? See, there's a worm, okay? Earthworm. Gonna put the earthworm here. Did you know that the earthworm helps the decomposition process? See, I got a big one. See, look at that. Got a lot of worm oil. I love this. Okay, got a lot. That's good. That's, oh, see, you know, the worm, like their food, like you know, they ate this kitchen waste, so it will become a worm cast in a few months. So you're gonna have a healthy soil for your garden, for your vegetable garden. Gonna dig more deeper. Then I'm gonna look some worm. See, another worm. Look at the worm. Look at that. Look at that, the worm. See? The worm is not enemy. You know, worm is the farmer's friend. I think that's good enough. And we're gonna bury this. See? The worm will eat this for a matter of how many months? Cover with soil. And then I'm gonna plant on top of this. It's good enough. And then the healthy soil, the soil mixture that I made. Yeah. And I'm gonna plant a vegetable, or I think a vegetable. You know, our soil mixture, it's a mixture with garden soil, cow manure, and the coco coir, right? So we're gonna check this after, I don't know, maybe a few months. Let's see if we can. But don't forget to put the worm back. See, look at the worm. Got a lot in this tiny area here. I got a lots of worm. Look at this. The worm is healthy too. It's not that skinny. Their poo become organic, like casting, worm casting. They're finding their way to go under the, because they don't like the light. They want under the soil. So look at this guy here. Look at this. Come on. You got a lot of food there under. See this guy? Almost gone. Look at that. You know their poo is the best organic fertilizer. Okay, I'm gonna show you their poo. Okay, it's in the bag now. Look at this. Go for organic earthworm casting. Stronger root, bigger bloom, higher yields. See, it helps a lot. Then I'm gonna show you their poo like this, really black. Look at that, really black. Okay, that's their poo. That's the earthworm. Okay, and then I have another kind of a big area here, not that big, where I do the compost too. This area here I just cover with some plastic. See, look at that. There's lots of kitchen waste here. And then I'm gonna put some soil on top, garden soil, the mixture, the soil mixture, and then I'm gonna plant this. I put a plant. Okay, so you're gonna have idea. Don't throw your kitchen waste. Put in the compost and help your garden soil. Look at them. See, the two guys here is gone. This one's almost. See, they're gone. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, this is your Madiskarteng Tatay. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.